Hi guys, welcome back to today's video. Due to the rapid development of fast charging, the charger is becoming bigger and bigger. But for iPhone, it's still stuck at about 20 watts. And today we're going to introduce a 20 watts PD charger for your iPhone from MOKiN. It is a premium sketch of the charger printed on the front, specs info on the back as usual. Open the box. And take it out from the cardboard. There's no cable inside the packaging. The outer case is made of black matte fire retardant PC and is pretty compact. The top surface is designed with a circle of chamfer with MOKiN in the middle, and the indicator area is below it. Like the Apple 35 watts, the slight hollows on two sides can facilitate the user to hold it more tightly. The single USB-C port adopted a special green design. All specs info are printed at the bottom. Model is MO-C001. It can support input of 100 to 240 volts, 50 or 60 Hz, 0.8 amp, and the output can be up to 20 watts, 9 volts, 2.22 amp. It has passed ETL and PSC certifications. The input prompts are foldable and can be stored in your small bag. The size of this charger is about 34 by 38 by 23 mm. Compared with Apple 20 watts charger, this size is smaller. And the weight is about 39 grams. Connected to the Charger Lab Power ZKM00TC, it shows the USB-C supports FCP, SCP, AFC, QC 3.0 and PD 3.0 protocols. And it also supports two fixed PDLs of 5 volts, 3 amp and 9 volts, 2.22 amp. Next, let's go ahead and take it apart to see what's components inside. First, use a spider to pry along the gap. And the PCB module can be easily taken out. It is covered with lots of silicone adhesives. And the input prompts are connected to PCB through two wires. Clean up the silicone adhesives. And we can observe the internal structure. It is composed of 3 PCBs. The USB-C connector, filter capacitor, rectifier MOSFET, and protocol chip are on the output PCB, and this yellow block is the transformer, surrounded by 2 filter capacitors on both sides. Flip to the back, we can see the mass control chip and bridge rectifier. The transformer is placed in the hollow of the PCB to reduce the thickness. Charger Lab found it adopts QR flatback topology, and the wide output voltage is controlled by the protocol chip. Let's introduce every single component. The input time delay fuse is from Lanbaofuse, 250 volts, 2 amp. The green copper mode choke is wound with magnet and insulated wires. And the bridge rectifier is from World, an ultra-soft recovery bridge with high surge current capability. Those 2 filter capacitors on the secondary output PCB are covered with insulating sleeves. They're from KNSCHA 400 volts, 10 microfarad. There is another same capacitor on the main PCB. The differential mode choke is wound with an eye-shaped magnetic core and is insulated with a heat-shrinkable tube. The mass control chip is from Power Integrations, which is a digital controllable offline CVCC QR flatback switcher IC with integrated high-voltage switch, synchronous rectification, and flux-link feedback. The chip can dynamically adjust the power supply voltage and current. It supports 3.6 volts output, suitable for high-efficiency USB PD, PPS, and QC adapters. It also supports up to 27 watts power adapter, but is limited to 20 watts in this charger for lower temperature. The transformer is wrapped with tape for insulation, and the 20 watts output power is marked here. The SMD Y Capacitor is from TRX. The Synchronous rectifier is from Hunteck and adopts DFN 5x6 package. It is controlled by the master control chip for synchronous rectification, 100 volts, 4.4 mA. And the solid filter capacitor is from JSH, which is insulated with heat-shrinkable tube, 470 microfarad, 16 volts. The protocol chip is from INJOINIC, which supports multiple charging protocols and is widely used in many chargers. The VBUS switch MOSFET is from ALKAIDSEMI and adopts PDFN 3.3 by 3.3, 40 volts, 3.5 mil. The USB-C connector is green and fixed by through-hole soldering. Well, that's all components of this MOKiN Mini 20 watts PD charger. We found it consists of 3 PCBs and the transformer is placed in the hollow of the PCB, which makes the charger even smaller than others. So it's an excellent choice for daily use. And 20 watts output power is pretty enough for iPhone users. Okay, that's all for today's video. Feel free to click the corners to check the teardown of other 20 watts PD chargers. Please drop a like, leave your comments, and subscribe to us. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye!